In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Whiteboard in 5 easy steps, perfect for beginners. Whether you're planning a project, brainstorming with a team, or simply organizing your thoughts, this tool can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. To begin, we need to head over to Miro's website, which you can access by going to miro.com. Once you're on the homepage, you're going to want to log in. You'll see a login button at the top right corner of the site. Give that a click. Now, if you already have an account, you can proceed to sign in using your email or Google account. If you haven't set one up yet, there's an option to create a new account. Miro offers various login methods, but for simplicity, we'll continue with email today. Once you're inside your account dashboard, find the board section and click on Create New. This is where the magic happens as you'll begin your whiteboard adventure. After clicking on Create New, select Board from the options presented. Now it's time to name your board. Choose something that reflects the purpose of your board to keep things organized and easy to navigate later on. Next, let's start populating your board with content by clicking the plus button on the left side of your screen. For this demonstration, we'll create a table to structure information neatly. Go ahead and click on Tables, then set the table on your board according to your needs. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect immediately, you'll have plenty of opportunities to adjust and rearrange as we go. Now the fun part is customizing the table. Click on the fields within the table to rename them as you see fit. Miro is very intuitive, so you'll find it easy to edit text and move elements around. Tailor the setup to whatever project you're working on, whether it's for a meeting agenda, project timeline, or data analysis. Take your time here to make sure everything is laid out just the way you like. Once you're satisfied with your board, it's time to share it with your team or collaborators. Head to the upper right corner and click on the Share button. Here you'll be able to change permissions to control who can view or edit your board. Miro gives you a few different sharing options. You can either copy the board link to send it out directly, or if you need to integrate it into another platform, you can click Embed to copy the embed code. Plus, there's a publish option if you want to make the board publicly available online. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward introduction to starting and sharing a Miro whiteboard. With these steps, you are well on your way to harnessing Miro's powerful features for your own projects. Enjoy exploring this dynamic tool and happy collaborating.